Commuters and residents in Park City consistently experience long wait times on Kearns Boulevard, or SR-248, as they drive in and out of town. When the two-lane roadway chokes down to a single lane, congestion inevitably follows. Meanwhile, drivers waiting to turn left back up onto the road's through lanes, clogging up traffic. Over 20,000 vehicles get on this road every day, and that number rises every year. Computer models predict that in 20 years, SR-248 will be in complete failure, unable to accommodate the increasing number of drivers. This growth requires a solution that balances the need to improve the roadway while minimizing impact on residents, businesses, and the surrounding environment. After thorough analysis of multiple alternative designs for this roadway, a preferred alternative has been identified. In 2040, this proposed design is projected to cut morning congestion in half for drivers entering Park City, while afternoon traffic would also see significant reductions in drive time. Here's how the preferred alternative would work. 2 lanes in each direction would be extended from Park Avenue all the way to the Highway 40 interchange, signaling the end of the bottlenecking single lanes of traffic between Sidewinder to the west and Richardson Flat to the east, allowing drivers constant travel without any need to merge. At the same time, the entire roadway would receive more shoulder space and bicycle lanes would be made continuous across the corridor. These wider shoulders between Comstock Drive and US 40 could also accommodate future transit opportunities such as shoulder-running buses. Intersections would also see improvements. For instance, at the frequently backed up Park Avenue intersection, left-turning vehicles turning onto 248 would receive an additional left turn lane. These lanes would also be lengthened to accommodate the many drivers making this turn during rush hour traffic. And an additional right turn lane would be introduced for 248 drivers getting onto Park Avenue. Most intersections between Park Avenue and Highway 40 would receive similar improvements to their turn lanes. Dedicated right turn lanes would be added at every intersection where they don't already exist. And additional left turn lanes would be added at the Bonanza, Comstock, Wyatt Earp, and Richardson Flat intersections, helping turning vehicles avoid backing into the main flow of traffic. After years of careful analysis, UDOT and Park City have identified their preferred alternative for improving SR-248. Improved bike lanes, better intersections, and shorter travel time for cars and buses will help make SR-248 less stressful for residents and commuters. Another example of how Park City and UDOT keep Utah moving.